If you want a cleaner browsing experience in Opera, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide the bookmarks bar in just a few seconds. This is a super simple setting, but it can make your browser look much more minimal and give you a lot more space on the screen. Whether you want a distraction-free setup or you just don't use the bookmarks bar very often, this quick tutorial will help. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Opera on your computer. Once the browser is open, press Alt+ on your keyboard. This is a quick shortcut that takes you directly to the Opera settings page, so you don't have to search through menus. As soon as the settings page opens, look for the Appearance tab. Click on it to open the Appearance settings. Now scroll down until you find the Appearance section. In this section, you'll see an option called Show Bookmarks Bar. This is the setting that controls whether the bookmarks bar appears at the top of your browser. To hide it, simply toggle that option off. The moment you turn it off, the bookmarks bar will disappear from your Opera window, giving you a cleaner and more spacious layout. And that's it. You've now hidden the bookmarks bar in Opera. It only takes a moment, and if you ever want it back later, you can follow the same steps and turn the option back on. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.